everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and thank you so much for stopping by for a visit. I really appreciate it. Do you have some coffee or tea you're drinking? Now, this video is not going to be that long, but sit back, relax, enjoy. Alrighty then, so I have 3 WIPs that I want to share with you. Okay, so the first one is this. So, what do you think it's gonna be? What do you think? And this is part of it. I know, it's the same thing, except it's got lots of tails to weave in. All right, so what you do is you make 2 pieces. And they're gonna go together. See, they're both there. You're gonna crochet all the way around. They're gonna go together. So what do you think it is? Okay, all guesses are welcome. All right, so what I'm using for this is gorgeous, isn't it? Look at those colors. Oh, I'm just following the colors as they went on the ball. I actually am using 2 balls and I'm holding 2 strands together. And this is the Lion Brand Mandala. Yeah, there's 150 grams in here, 590 yards, 100% acrylic. And because I'm color controlling and because I'm having to hold 2 strands together just to make this stronger, that's why I dug into the second ball of it. This is lightweight 3. Recommended hook is a 5mm. And even though I put 2 strands together, I'm still using a 5mm. Color is right here, Phoenix. And there you can see the colors there. I guess that's probably knitted up. But yeah, it's pretty gorgeous. Yeah, I haven't actually used all the colors. Let me find the ball here. This is part of one of the balls. I just pulled out the whole thing right out from the middle. Here, I'll show you the other colors. I got them all in a bag here. And getting, oh, static. They're static. It's like, yeah, static. So that's one of the colors. It's more of a rusty color. Then it's showing red on my screen. More of a rusty color. Rusty red, I guess. So that's one of them. So how's things going for you guys? I hope you're all ready for Christmas. I'm pretty much ready. I have a couple of other things to wrap or put in Christmas bags. Alright, so is there another color I haven't used? There's another ball of blue. Oh, this is another one. This is lighter than this. I haven't used these 2 colors in this project. I may, because there's still a part of this project I need to do. What do you think that is? Alright, what else do we have? It's another blue. And, oh, that's just the... I don't know what that noise was. That's that pink in the bottom there. Yeah, and I think that's, oh, what's this one? Oh, I haven't used this one either. This is purpley. I don't have any of this purpley in here. But yeah, very pretty. And I think that's all the colors now. So that is one thing. Yeah, I will actually, this is someone else's tutorial, it's not mine, so I'm gonna link the tutorial below. And then you'll be able to go and see what it is. But guess what it is before you check the tutorial? Just for funsies. All right, so next item. All right, so this is the next project I'm working on. I showed this one to you before. Still working on it. Ooh, this is a blanket. I'm actually making it for myself. I'm going to put a border around it. What kind of border do you think I should do around it? This is the stitch. Whoops, I'm caught on my chair. That's the stitch and the yarn. So it's getting pretty big, but it's not quite there. And it gets so hot. You know, I haven't made a huge blanket for many years, and now I remember why. It's really hot. So don't ever make a huge blanket in the summer, you know, because it's going to be on you, at least part of it, as you're crocheting. Oh, but it's winter now, but still, I get very hot. All right. So I think I may be breaking the rules. These would be considered probably baby colors, but I'm making it for me. Yeah. So the yarn. Oh. The yarn is Premier Sweet Roll Frosty. 140 grams, 240 yards. And I don't even know how many I used so far. I don't know, about 8 maybe, 8 or 9 so far. This colorway is Sugar Plum, and I love it. Medium 4, 100% acrylic. Recommended hook size is 5.5, same with knitting needles. Yeah. And I'm actually using a 6mm hook. So the reason is because to try and work it up a little faster by using a bigger hook, and it makes the yarn go further as well. But I don't know, I will not get this done until next year, which is, you know, just a couple of weeks from now, not even that. Today's what, December 22nd? Yeah. So I have been color controlling because I wanted one color or 2 or 3 colors for each row. And so I've been balling up the colors. So whenever I need to go to the next color, I just go through my bread bag and pull out the next color. And then work it up and decide if there's quite a bit of one color. Like in here, there's at least 2 of this goldish color. So then I decide, am I gonna maybe I'll make 3 rows instead of 2, because some of the colors, there's more of that color than some of the other colors that are in the ball. That's just how it works, right? That's how they do it. Okay, next item. All right, so the next item is going to be, it's gonna be a cardigan. Now it's the body part is made in 1 piece, and this is how far I've gotten. And then you crochet the sleeves on afterwards, but yeah. It's got this cute stitch going through the middle, and then it's also on the right here on both sides of the front. So yeah, Body's gonna be one piece, guys. You know how difficult it was figuring out the starting chain? Holy, and not very often I draw pictures or write things down. I just grab yarn and I start crocheting, and so I had to draw a little diagram, and it's funny, it works out on paper, then when you crochet it doesn't work out, and you count your chains and it's all right, and yeah, like but boy, when I'm determined, I'm determined. So I figured it out. So yeah, so this yarn I'm using for this one, this I always do, maybe one day I won't have to do this, but I always complete one first, and then I'll do a tutorial using a different type of yarn, maybe a lighter weight yarn. So this one, this is not going to be the tutorial item, but the tutorial item will be the exact same pattern, but with different yarn. All right, so this one, I'm using this Craft Smart Value yarn, and I got these at Michael's. 100% acrylic, medium 4. Suggested hook size is 5.5, same with knitting needles, and I'm using a 6. Just to make the stitches a little looser. That's all why I was using a 6 for this one, and the color is simply right up here, gray. And I got this yarn in the gray, and I got it in red, and I also got it in purple color. Yeah. So yeah. So the tutorial will probably be done in a. I'm going to have to see what yarn I have, but probably in a 3-weight. That's what I'm thinking. And like you could do this in a 2-weight if you want. It'll work for a 2-weight as well. You just use a larger hook, and then it makes it more lacy, and so it'll be more like a summer cardigan. Yeah. So again, that's it. I can't wait till it's done. I'm just excited about it. I'm always excited about my designs, and I'm excited to share them with you guys. If you're new here, I do wearables, ladies wearables. Yeah, that's what I found out that I love to do. And so I have several tutorials, crochet tutorials on my channel. They're all in a playlist, and I think there's 40 something there now. But yeah, and I like to show the item in a couple of different yarn weights and colors and things, maybe multicolored, or like this one is just plain gray, which is great. It goes with everything. Yeah. So I'm really liking this yarn, the Craft Smart Value. I've never used it before, and it's actually not that bad. Like it's not really soft, but it's not that bad. So I'm wondering if you guys have used it. Have you washed your item, and does it soften up when you wash it? Let's see here. It says machine wash cold, gentle cycle, do not bleach, of course, tumble dry low. So you can put it in your dryer on tumble dry low. Do not iron. Yeah. So that's good. Machine wash cold, gentle cycle. So that's good to know, right? Very good to know. And I think that's it for my items, my WIPS. So today, I think is December 22nd, correct? I meant to check that. So Christmas is Saturday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yeah, today is the 22nd. So Christmas is Saturday. I hope you all have a fabulous Christmas. Remember the reason for the season. And have a wonderful time. You know, make sure you watch our videos. You know, if you have time on Christmas Day, there's a couple of giveaways. Who were they now? I have them written down. Hang on a second. Oh yes, Queen Bee Crochet and Knit is having a giveaway. She is drawing the winner on Christmas Day. So I will link that video below. And oh yes, Bag a Day, Crystal is having a giveaway for gift cards, you guys. Gift cards. On December 28th is when she draws. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to link her video down below as well. And there's always videos. There's always giveaways going on Instagram. I actually entered one. Oh, I don't remember. I didn't even write down the date when they draw. Maybe it's Christmas Day. I'm not sure. And I don't remember who it was. I just wrote Instagram draw. Oh my gosh. But anyway. All right. So thank you so much for everything. I'm just looking at my notes here. And oh, next week, hubby's off work for the whole week. I know. You see my face. It's just that I love my peace and quiet, and I can get more videoing done. But we'll see. Like if I have Happy Mail, or I don't think I have any yarn orders. I don't have anything on order right now for yarn. But if I get Happy Mail, which I am expecting a couple of things, I have to check my mailbox. I'm checking it tomorrow. Normally I check Saturdays, but Saturday's Christmas. So I don't think they'll be open. Anyway, so if something happens, I will try and find the time and the quietness to make a video, but otherwise I may be not on here all next week. Oh, that would be horrible. I would miss you guys terribly. Oh, I'm going to try and figure something out. Also, I plan on doing a deep cleaning of my house. Yes. All right, you guys, thank you so much and have a fabulous, fabulous Christmas. And I will hopefully see you sometime next week, maybe even tomorrow. Oh, I have a guy coming tomorrow. It's to check our furnace. I think did I tell you guys we had a slight gas leak. But anyway, we had the repairs done on the furnace, and now the Manitoba Hydro Company, Hydro and Gas, want to come and do a re-inspection. So he's coming tomorrow sometime in the daytime. So yeah, anyway, all right, you guys. God bless you all, and I hope to see you again soon. I'll be watching your videos, everyone. All right, bye for now.